This is Jeff Bessa again, Charting Horse Value. Going to do a video on Saratoga angles. We're moving into Travers Week, and we've had 386 races done so far at Saratoga, and so I did some analysis trying to figure out when, if there's a way for us to find profitable horses. So let's take a look at these angles that I'm showing. The highest ROI angle is the Turf Sprint plus BFIG rank of 1. I was a little surprised by this one, so we're going to show some additional data for other tracks. But basically, if you look at only Turf Sprints and look at the highest ranked horse on BFIG, that's 55 races, and 14 of them won, which is 25%. And you doubled your money, over doubled your money. So this is really strong. Sample size, obviously, on almost all of these angles are going to be really small. But, 55 is not bad. I filtered this for only angles with at least 50 starts. Second angle is the plus-suffix. This is looking at fitness workout ratings and very specific circumstances around that. And the only thing it's filtering is outside the top 3 morning line. 54 horses, only 6 won, so low win rate, but very good ROI. Next one is Turf Route T. That's the T angle, Turf Route. And so the only thing we're filtering on is the morning line of between 4 and 30. So basically 4-1 morning line and higher. 88 horses, 13-1, plus 63% ROI. Okay, maiden plus the plus suffix. Again, the plus suffix primarily is for fitness workout rating, primarily is for maidens, although it can show up on some other in some other situations. But filtering for maiden is not a big reduction. So the plus suffix, 65 starts, 10 wins, 15%, plus 62% ROI. Now this plus suffix, fitness workout rating, we've now seen 2 angles with it. One up here just filtering for morning line, and one here just filtering for maiden. We're going to see that this fitness workout rating is really powerful at Saratoga. This is something I've noticed previously, even before this year. Okay, non-maiden turf route. So turf route is the T by definition. It's the T angle. And now we're filtering it for non-maiden. And 17% winners, 53% ROI, sample size 104. Turf route plus T suffix. Well, that's what the T suffix is, turf route angle. So there's no filtering here. This is every, every single turf route angle. 118 horses, 23 winners, 19% win percentage, plus 50% ROI. Amazing. That's amazing. So the turf route angle, the T, is working. The plus angle is working. And we're going to dig into this BFIG a little bit more. Turf sprint, another turf sprint, plus win percent rank 1. I will tell you, win percent rank 1 does win more often than any other horse. This is the modeled win percentage. And so in turf sprints, when you look at just the top horse to win, 38% won for a plus 48% ROI. Powerful. All right, listed stakes plus FWR top 3. I don't love this angle, but basically in listed stakes, you take the top 3 horses in fitness workout rating, and which would be 3 horses every single one of those races. You actually make money. I would not play like that. I would not play this angle. But again, it just shows how the fitness workout rating is powerful. The dirt sprint, although I guess if you're going in a serial wager, you could just use all, and you had a listed stake, you could just use all the FWRs, top 3. All right, dirt sprint plus FWR top 3. Again, fitness workout rating is strong, but now dirt sprint plus energy top 3. This is useful. 158 starts, pretty good sample. 32% winners, 26% ROI. You're finding the intersection of energy and fitness workout in dirt sprints. Turf routes plus trainer jockey rating top 3. That makes sense. Plus value of 2+. Nice. 101 starts, 26% win, 18% ROI. Back to dirt sprint, just a little broader angle. Still FWR top 3, but now energy or BFIG in the top 3. Win chance goes down a little bit, sample size goes up, win chance goes down a little bit, ROI goes down a little bit. Clean, non-maiden, so it's a clean condition, fast, firm, non-maidens, plus the intersection of AWM% top 3, so top 3 modeled win percent. Sorry, this AW, I haven't shown this publicly, but it's basically the same as win percent. It's a small modification I do, but it basically is identical to win percent. Plus FWR top 3, so the intersection of those two, 30% winners, plus 14% ROI. And finally, dirt routes. All dirt routes, value of 5 and up, 83 starts, 24% win rate, 12% ROI. So these are very useful. All of these make sense to me. The only one that was a little concerning to me was this turf sprint plus BFIG rake 1, which we'll dig into in a little bit more. But conclusions, the plus suffix works. The turf route suffix works. FWR top 3 is powerful. Those are the big, huge takeaways here, but keep this for your records. All right, so I now wanted to look at this turf sprint BFIG number 1 for all other tracks. And this is how it did. So Churchill Downs was the best, 6 winners out of 15 starts, 63% ROI. Woodbine, plus 38% ROI. Delaware, 18. Gulfstream, 12. Belterra, Colonial breaking even, Laurel breaking even, and then you start having some tracks that lose money. Overall, it's not a profitable angle. These are all the tracks that had at least 10 turf sprints. And if you blindly bet the BFIG number 1 horse, it's not bad. So especially at Churchill, Woodbine, even Delaware, Gulfstream. Okay, so I guess I'm not as surprised, although for Saratoga, it's extremely strong. Now, we talked about the angles, we talked about the turf route, and we talked about the plus horse. These are the 4 angles I've got right now, and this is no filtering. All conditions, all kinds of races. We have the form cycle combo angle, which we put in green on the race screen, and you could search for this on the search page. 1,400 horses, 286 won, 20% win chance, plus 11% ROI. Not bad. And remember, there's no context on this angle. We're just looking for a form cycle combo, like first off the layoff, second lifetime start as an example. Second off the layoff, trainer jockey as an example. Okay, so there's no context with any other horses in the race, and we're still getting 11% ROI. Now, if you filter this for clean conditions, fast and firm, this goes up to like 18%. All right, now the form cycle equals trainer jockey angle. Exact. It's only trainer jockey, no other combination. Plus 6% ROI, no filtering. Plus suffix on the grade. This is the fitness workout rating, which we saw is really strong at Saratoga. Only wins 11.7% of the time. You are finding long shots with this angle. Plus 15% ROI. This angle is really, really good, especially for maiden races. And then the turf route suffix, T, on the grade. This one's pretty unreliable. I think it's interesting, and you could when you see it, but look at the race in context and see if you like the horse strongly, but it does win 17% of the time for a small plus 4% ROI. So those are the 4 angles right now I've got. You could search for all of these on the search page, and they'll of course show up for every horse. Now I wanted to look at the trainer jockey angle for Saratoga. the exact, first of all, form cycle equals trainer jockey. There were 17 horses, 2-1, only 12% win chance, plus 92% ROI. So extremely strong, very small sample size. And then the form cycle contains trainer jockey with other things. 49 starts, only 2 wins, very poor, big negative ROI. So the trainer jockey ROI angle does work broadly, but it's not great at Saratoga unless it's exactly form cycle equals trainer jockey, and then the sample size is really small. So bottom line, I wouldn't put a lot of stock in this trainer jockey combo angle right now at Saratoga. All right, that's what I wanted to show you guys. I'm going to go back to this front screen, finish here. Great angles. Let's win this weekend for the Travers Stakes. Take care.